Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Androidica. Now before you start watching this video and using up your bandwidth, I'd say that this is a pretty basic video about the Android and you would not find much anything advanced over here. So if you want to go for much advanced things like tweaking system apps, etc., you can see the part 2 of this Android walkthrough. Now starting with the basics, you will find this video useful only if you are new to the Android platform or you are shifting from the iOS platform into the Android 4 platform. So I'll be just going through the basics of like calling, text messaging, what's Android, how to use it, and how to perform the basic functions on the Android device and compare it to the Android iOS with its basic functions. So to get started, we have an Android phone over here. That's the Samsung Galaxy Mini. Now every standard Android phone has these 3 buttons, which we have here: the menu button, the home button, and the back button. Most devices also include a search button over here, but this is missing from this device. On the right, most of them have a volume rocker button over there and a device on and off button, which is the power button over there, which also acts as a screen locker button. There's a micro SD card slot over there, and on the top we have a 3mm headphone jack, and there is the micro USB charger and the USB port dock. Below we have a smart microphone dock over there, port over there, sorry. So we have a 3.2-inch touchscreen. So we'll get started. This is a basic Android lock screen as you see over here. Now this device is running the Android 2.3.7 Gingerbread, which comes with the Galaxy Nexus and most other devices till now. However, we have a more recent version of the Android operating system, that is the Ice Cream Sandwich. Now this is the home screen of your Android device. You have your application icons over here, which are the shortcuts. You have the Google search bar, and unlike iOS, you have a notification panel over here which you can drop down so that you can view all your notifications that appear over here, like the missed calls, the text messages, etc., etc., your new emails, or if you have any application updates, etc. iOS 5 does include this feature and it's brand new. On the top, on the status bar, you have this 3 data icon, you have a tower icon, you have a battery icon, and a place showing the time. When you drop down the menu, you also see the date popping up over here. However, when a new message or a new notification comes, you'll also see a small icon on the left over here. The biggest advantage of Android over iOS is its widgets. You have pretty nice little widgets over here on this platform, which you can place on your home screens. Like I have around 5 home screens over here now. You can sift through them like that. You also get nice little dots in this corner showing which home screen are you currently in. Like I am now in the middle home screen, which is my home screen number 3. When I go, this is home screen number 4, and I shift to the right is home screen number 5. Now Android supports live wallpapers, which means that you will have flash-like moving wallpapers in the background. Like this is a Nexus original live wallpaper. So if I tap on the screen more, the lines will appear more frequent over there. You also have different other wallpapers. For that, what you need to do is just tap on this home screen and hold it. You'll get a sub menu over here where you can click on wallpapers and live wallpapers, and you can select from the list. Like if I want the water wallpaper over here, I'll just open it. There you go, and set wallpaper. So now that will be my new wallpaper. Here we have water droplets, which is also pretty cool. Here you also have your widgets, your shortcuts. You can create shortcuts for applications right on your home screen. You can create new folders. That's your launcher settings, the home screen launcher settings. And you can also change wallpapers. You can give still wallpapers. You can go to gallery to select a picture, or you can select from the predefined wallpapers that are present on your phone. Like if I want to select this one, and I'll click on set wallpaper, and that will be my new wallpaper. So we'll just go back to where we were. We'll stick to that because I really like it. Next you have a nice little Google search bar over here. You can just click over it and start searching for anything you want Now as you start searching, like I would search for here my contact, a friend. So let's just start searching. Sorry there. So as you would see, as I start searching, the search results from the phone will come up in a different section, and from the web will come up from a different section. Like, sorry there. Like if I search for driving or car over here, so these are the results from the web, and these are the applications that are stored on my device over here. South Kolkata Car Bazaar, that came from the Maps application, of course. So you can select the option, directly go into the Google search. That's your web browser, of course, over here. It's pretty nice, the Android web browser. Not too fast, I would say. There are better applications out there, third-party applications out there in the Android market. Now, Android market is a marketplace for apps. Like you have iTunes Apple Store for the iOS devices, and the WP7 market, or the Windows marketplace, for the WP7 devices. Here we have a same for the Android too. So I would like to show you the pinch to zoom in the browser. You can just pinch to zoom over there, which is pretty fast, and there's zero lag, as you would see. There's no lag in there. You can also open multiple tabs. Like there, you can go to Windows. You can click a new window, which is a new tab over here. There you go. It will create a new tab. You can also switch tabs over here. Like that's the tab I open right now. That was the tab I had opened previously. So sorry there. So I can just shift to that tab over there like that. That's with the browser. Now you also can type in a new text message by clicking on this messaging app over here. There you go. That's now Android also supports the same thing like the iOS or the Windows Phone 7. It gives you a threaded view of all your messages, incoming messages. So like if you want to open a thread over here like there, that's the incoming messages are shown in the blue background, and the your messages are shown in a white background over here. Like what you sent comes in the white background, and what your incoming messages that comes from your friends come in a blue background. You can just type in a new text message over here. That's the Android keyboard. It's quite well spaced and quite good. You can just start typing over there. You'll see quick suggestions also coming up over here on this bar. Suppose I will write my name over there. Now you can also copy and select texts from this device. So you can hold and select all, or select a word, a single word, and then you can drag the handles over here to select and deselect other things. You can also copy whole messages if you want to there, and copy message text. Pasting it is also pretty simple. You can just hold it and click on paste, and there you go, all your text is pasted over there. You can also copy things from websites directly via this copy paste functionality. So let's open a website like google.com for now. Oops, there must be some problem with the network connection. Okay, we'll come back to that later. For next I'll show you the camera application over here. We have, there you go, this is the camera application. You have that's a shutter button over there. That's of course the zoom button. That's the white balance, and that's your effects or your geolocation, geotagging your photos. You have a lot of options over here, like your timer, which is immediate, or a timer. You can get the exposure settings over here. You can get the scene modes with so many scenes to select from, and you get to select the picture size. Now this has a 3 megapixel camera, this device I mean, so it's by default to select a 3 megapixels. However, also you can change the resolution of the photos you click in. you have a nice little slider over there which you can directly shift into the video camera, and you can move to the still camera. There, this option will directly take you to the photo gallery, where you can scan through the photos you have taken recently. These are the photos that I've taken from the camera. Now it also supports auto rotation over here, so like if we open this new email over here that we have, I'll not open emails, that will void privacy. So let's open up a new things like the settings menu over here, and if I turn it, the screen would auto rotate over there, as you would see. It's very nice. Let's go to about phone, and it will show you I'm running the Android version 2.3.7. It will give my model number of the phone and the build version and the custom firmware version, which is quite not needed in the basic Android videos, so I'll skip that. You can go to wireless and network settings. Here you can switch to the airplane mode, you can switch on your Wi-Fi, you can go through your Wi-Fi settings, you can switch on your Bluetooth settings, your tethering and hotspot, which is actually sharing your internet connection with the PC or other devices. You have your mobile networks over here. You can click on use just 2G networks to save battery in case you're not using 3G or you're using Wi-Fi. You can select other options that are present over here, so you can just switch on Wi-Fi or switch off Wi-Fi. There you see it shows turning on Wi-Fi. So now my Wi-Fi is on, but I would not need it, so I better close it. You can go through your sound settings and change your ringtone and other things. You can switch it on to silent mode, vibrates, change your phone ringtone, the notification ringtones, the audible touch tones, selection tones, etc. You can also head over to the display settings, and where you get to select the brightness, whether your screen will auto rotate or not, the animations that are shown while browsing through the phone. Now there are different types of screen unlock, like as we have here is the ring unlock over here, so you can hold it and drag it over there to unlock the device. However, you can set up a more secure method of a pattern, as I would show you. So you can select a default pattern over here. So I would like make a pattern like this, suppose. Remember, you need to connect a minimum of 4 dots for creating a successful pattern. You need to confirm it once more, and as you are done, that would be your new lock screen. So as long as the people who don't know your pattern, they won't be able to access to your phone, which is quite a secure method. You can also use a password over here, as I'll show you. So you can always use a password like 1 2 3 4. Continue. Sorry, it must contain a letter also, so I'd give the first letter of my name. I have to confirm it once again, so I do that, and okay. So now if you unlock your device, it would ask for the password that you just set up. So 1 2, so let's just put it over there, 2 3 4 8. Okay, there you go, the screen is unlocked. Now you can set up different as per your wish or the amount of security you want. Right now I don't need much security because I'm at home. Who would steal my phone from home? So I just send it to none. You can tweak with other settings like here because this is location, so you can switch on your GPS satellites and allow for visible passwords or visible patterns. You can install certificates from the SD card, which is not much useful, so let's just forget that part. Now the next thing that I would like to show you is the marketplace. Here is a place where you can buy your apps from. Now the marketplace automatically gets updated when a new marketplace is available, but I have uninstalled the market updater application so that my app market doesn't get updated, so that I can show you the original version that comes with Gingerbread. So this is the Gingerbread's original market. You can sift through apps over here as you want. You click on apps, and there's all the category of apps that are available. So if I click on all applications, the top free, because I don't want to buy right now anything. So like I would like to install an application, so what I do is head over, go to install. It's a free app or you have to buy it, and it shows your item will be downloaded. In a short time you would see a download download icon over there, and as you see, this is downloading. And also you can see that I have a chat, or it's a notification from the Gtalk application. I can clear the notifications by clicking on the clear button. So I also have other apps over here. So that's the application drawer. It lists all your applications or the installed applications that you have on your phone. You can just launch any one by clicking on the application, and that's as simple as that. Now let me show you email on this phone. So you go down and go to email over there. So that's your email. You can compose a new email by clicking on compose. That goes your sender, or the person you're sending to, the subject of the email, and then you can compose the email as you want and send it, or save it as draft as you want. If you don't save it and close the application, it automatically gets saved to your draft as you have seen. Now next is the contacts. Go over to contacts, and all your contacts show up over there. Pretty nice and organized way. You can click on a contact over here like I would do, and it will show the phone numbers and the email, which I can't show you in this video for privacy. So you can go to call log, which will list all your call logs over here, the dialed calls or missed calls. So that's your dial pad, so you can dial a number over here directly, and then click on the green button over here to make a call, or the plus button to add it to your contacts, or you can just delete a digit if you have made a mistake anywhere. The favorites will show all the favorites contacts that you have on your phone, etc. Now this downloads application that you see over here would show all the applications or files that you have downloaded from the internet right in one place, which is quite a cool feature. You can go to your calendar. So here's your calendar, and you can make appointments or other things that you want that would show up right over here like that. You can go and change events, you can edit events, or you can add a new event. Like if I go to today, I can always add a new event over there like that. Typing the name of the event, the time over here, the place, even description, the calendar, which calendar or which account I want to save it to. Now with Android you always have to log in with your Gmail ID so that everything gets synced to your phone, like your contacts, your text messages, your applications and their settings, your phone settings, etc. all get backed up to your Google account. You have a nice little Maps application over here, the Google App Maps application that will open up all the apps. You also get a navigation feature if your phone supports. You get to sift through so many home screens. You can change your wallpapers, and that's pretty much everything about using your Android phone, or the basic things about using your Android phone. You can also play music via the music application. Now this is not the original music application that comes with Gingerbread. I have updated it. You can find this application right into the market, which is called the Google Play Music. You can download it anywhere for free. As it's a Google product, it's always free. So that's Google's answer to CoverFlow over here. As you see, it's pretty nice and smooth, and quite nice and quite better than the Apple's one. You can also go over to the gallery application that will store all your photos and videos that you have on your device. There you go, gallery. There you have all your albums over here, the pictures that you've taken with the camera, Android zip, either stored in the Bluetooth folders or any other folders. As you will see, they will all come up over here. So if I can go to videos, it will show up my videos over here, and I just can start playing a video right from there. As you see, it goes to full screen and there's no real lag. Let's pause. You can fast forward the video. And the video also rotates instantly without any lag. There you go. There's no lag or stopping over there. So I'll stop that. Now that's pretty much everything that you would like to know to operate an Android device. Thanks for watching, and if you want a more advanced approach, you can always watch our advanced video. That's the second part of this series. Thanks for watching.